Good morning, afternoon, evening, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ava, and we are dedicated to helping you become a better, safer driver. Today, we will touch on an important topic: ambulance on public roads. What should you do when you hear or see an emergency vehicle approaching you with its siren, bell, or flashing red lights turned on? A. Pull over to the left edge of the road if possible. B. Stop immediately wherever you are. C. Increase your speed and clear the lane. D. Pull over to the right edge of the road if possible. Take a few moments to ponder and attempt to identify the right answer. The moment has arrived. Did you succeed? Let us look at your result. In accordance with the laws of Texas, when an emergency vehicle is approaching with its siren, bell, or flashing red lights turned on, you must clear the intersection, yield to the emergency vehicle, and if possible, move to the right side of the road and stop until the emergency vehicle has passed. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I will be sure to respond.